ASUS monitors, especially ROG models, offer GameVisual modes like racing to optimize visuals for fast-paced games. Sometimes the monitor gets stuck in this mode, preventing you from changing settings via the OSD. This is often due to firmware bugs, incompatible software, or HDR conflicts. The primary solution involves using the monitor's OSD to switch out of racing mode. Use the joystick or buttons on your monitor to access the OSD menu. Navigate to GameVisual and select a different mode such as FPS or Standard. This switches out of racing mode and resolves the issue. High dynamic range, or HDR, enhances brightness and color depth, but it can sometimes conflict with racing mode, causing the monitor settings to lock. After switching GameVisual modes, disable HDR in your monitor's OSD settings. You may also need to disable HDR in your Windows display settings. First, access your monitor's OSD menu using the joystick or buttons. Navigate to the HDR option and turn it off. This resets the color profiles that might be causing the conflict. Next, open Windows Settings and go to Display. Look for the HDR section and toggle it off. This ensures your PC isn't overriding the monitor's settings. After making these changes, restart both your monitor and your computer. This ensures that the new settings are properly applied and that any temporary software conflicts are resolved. Power cycling the monitor can also clear any residual issues. ASUS Armoury Crate is a comprehensive software tool that allows you to control and customize all your ASUS hardware components, including monitors. First, open the ASUS Armoury Crate application on your Windows PC. Then, look for the monitor or display settings in the software interface. Use the software to reset the monitor's profiles or apply a different preset. This can effectively override the stuck racing mode. The reset function in Armoury Crate can resolve firmware conflicts that cause the racing mode to get stuck. This software reset method provides a quick solution to unlock the racing mode and restore normal monitor functionality. Outdated firmware can cause various issues, including the stuck racing mode problem. Use ASUS Armoury Crate to check for updates, or visit the ASUS support website for your specific monitor model. Firmware version 1.2.5 and later are reported to resolve this issue. Certain applications, such as gaming overlays or streaming software, can interfere with monitor settings. Try closing any unnecessary applications running in the background to see if this resolves the issue. Check for compatibility issues between your GPU drivers, such as NVIDIA or AMD, and the monitor's firmware. If you've tried all the previous troubleshooting steps and your ASUS monitor remains stuck in racing mode, it may indicate a hardware fault. At this point, consider contacting ASUS support to explore Return Merchandise Authorization, or RMA, options. RMA stands for Return Merchandise Authorization. It's ASUS's process for returning defective products for repair or replacement. The process involves several steps: initiating the return, receiving authorization, shipping the product, and receiving a replacement. When contacting ASUS support, provide detailed information about all the troubleshooting steps you've already attempted. According to ASUS surveys, only about 5 to 10% of users experiencing this racing mode issue require RMA, as most cases are resolved through software fixes. Remember to check ASUS's official website or forums for the most up-to-date support information.